like I said, that's why I think we do combat jiu-jitsu. I think it's a good middle ground. He knows he can't take me in MMA. I'm not gonna bullshit. In a straight jiu-jitsu match, he would stand a good chance, especially with the leg lock game. And he's just more acclimated there. You know, he's got a lot more experience. He's done it a lot more. If we do combat jiu-jitsu, it's somewhere in the middle. You know, I think it's most fair. And then, you know, it's a toss up there. I mean, I think I mount him and beat the hell out of him. But you know what can you say? I think I beat him into submission. Let's say that.
But I don't know. I'm still waiting to hear back from that. Actually.
Not true. Listen, me and Dylan Danis are great friends.